Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's long, thorn-filled legal war has exploded once again. And this time, a newly revealed 2023 email has become the center of a dramatic $35 million battle over their former French winery, Chateau Miraval. What began as a business disagreement has now spiraled into one of Hollywood's most complex, emotional, and bitter breakups extended into the courtroom. According to newly filed legal documents submitted by Pitt's team on October 29, the actor has accused Jolie of causing significant damage to Miraval's operations when she sold her 50% stake in 2021 without his approval, a move Pitt maintains violated a long-standing agreement between the former couple. Jolie insists no such agreement existed. But buried within the new filings is a striking detail. An email from Jolie's attorneys, sent in November 2023, directly stating that Pitt was suing her for $35 million in damages. Jolie's team said in the email that Pitt had created his own legal burden by pursuing such an enormous claim, meaning he would be forced to produce documents proving or disproving the alleged financial damage. Another communication from October 2023 reveals that Pitt believed Jolie's actions caused ongoing harm to Miraval's operations. For a winery that became an emotional centerpiece of their marriage and their family life, the stakes could not be higher or more personal. But the filings also reopened deeper wounds. Jolie's lawyers argue that Pitt has refused to produce documents explaining why he allegedly needed a 4-year NDA relating to personal misconduct. They say those materials go to the heart of their case. Pitt's side insists Jolie has withheld key communications by claiming attorney-client privilege, while Jolie's team counters that Pitt is using the lawsuit to harass and control her years after their separation. The shadow of the former couple's painful 2016 private jet incident also looms over the case. Jolie previously accused Pitt of verbal and physical abuse during that flight, allegations Pitt has denied, and which did not result in criminal charges. The Miraval dispute continues to pull that chapter back into the public EYE.in 2022. Pitt first sued after Jolie sold her Miraval shares to Stoli Group's Tenuta del Mondo division. Jolie responded with a countersuit, accusing Pitt of waging a vindictive war and refusing to buy her out unless she signed an NDA that would silence her about alleged past abuse. Pitt's team maintains that the NDA was simply a mutual non-disparagement standard. Now, with a December 17th court hearing ahead, both sides are escalating. Pitt's lawyers are pressing for 22 additional documents. Jolie's side says the actor's claims rely on conjecture and lack real evidence. And all the while, their shared history, once filled with romance, family, and the purchase of a dream winery, is now being dissected through lawyers, filings, and emails. Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's story began as one of Hollywood's most glamorous romances. Today, it remains one of its longest and most emotional court battles, a saga tangled with money, power, pain, and two people who once built a life together now fighting over its most symbolic piece. Thanks for watching Celeb Coverage, your #1 source for deep celebrity stories. Stay tuned for more emotional Hollywood breakdowns and real drama behind the headlines.